Hello and welcome to Africa Maturing, the channel dedicated to exploring the beauty, challenges, and progress of the African continent. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most ambitious environmental projects in the world, the Great Green Wall of Africa. Stretching across the width of the continent, the Great Green Wall is a vast mosaic of trees, shrubs, and grasslands designed to combat desertification, provide food and jobs for millions of people, and promote biodiversity. But the Great Green Wall is not just a tree planting project. It's a symbol of hope and resilience, of the determination of African communities to overcome the harsh effects of climate change and restore the degraded landscapes of their homelands. We'll be exploring the different aspects of this incredible initiative, from the challenges of implementation to the stories of the people and communities behind it. Join us on this journey of discovery as we learn more about the Great Green Wall of Africa and the incredible people working to make it a reality. Before we get into the video, please show us support by subscribing, liking, sharing and commenting on the comment section below. We will greatly appreciate it. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so as to be updated as soon as we release a new video. The Great Green Wall of Africa is a collaborative effort to combat desertification and restore degraded land in the Sahara and Sahel regions of Africa by planting a wall of trees and other vegetation across the continent. The Great Green Wall project was launched in 2007 by the African Union, with support from the United Nations and various other partners. The goal of the initiative is to plant an 8,000 kilometers long and 15 kilometers wide wall of trees and other vegetation across the entire width of Africa, from Senegal in the west to Djibouti in the east. The Great Green Wall project aims to provide a range of benefits to local communities and the environment, including improving food security, creating jobs, promoting biodiversity, reducing soil erosion, and mitigating the effects of climate change. The project also has the potential to help reverse desertification and promote sustainable land use practices in the region. The Great Green Wall project is still ongoing, and there have been both successes and challenges along the way. However, the project has received widespread support from governments, NGOs, and individuals around the world, and it continues to inspire hope for a more sustainable future for the people and environment of the Sahel and Sahara regions. The Great Green Wall of Africa is a massive and ambitious project that aims to address one of the most pressing environmental and social issues facing the continent: desertification. Desertification is a process by which once productive land becomes degraded and desert-like, often due to factors such as overgrazing, deforestation, and climate change. It can have devastating impacts on local communities, as it can lead to food and water shortages, loss of biodiversity, and economic hardship. The Great Green Wall project seeks to combat desertification by creating a contiguous line of trees, shrubs, and other vegetation that stretches across the Sahel and Sahara regions of Africa. The idea is that this wall of greenery will provide a range of benefits, such as soil conservation. Trees and other vegetation help to prevent soil erosion, which can be a major problem in arid and semi-arid regions. This can help to preserve the fertility of the soil and improve crop yields. Water conservation. Trees and plants can help to trap moisture in the soil, which can be especially important in regions that are prone to drought. The roots of trees can also help to recharge underground aquifers, which can be an important source of water for communities. Biodiversity. The Great Green Wall project aims to plant a variety of tree and plant species, which can help to support biodiversity in the region. This can be important for maintaining healthy ecosystems and preserving important wildlife habitats. Climate change mitigation. Trees and plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, which can help to mitigate the effects of climate change. The Great Green Wall project has the potential to sequester large amounts of carbon, which could help to slow the pace of climate change. The Great Green Wall project has made progress since its inception in 2007, with more than 20 African countries involved in the initiative. So far, more than 13 million hectares of land have been restored, and more than 4 billion trees have been planted. However, the project still faces significant challenges, such as lack of funding, political instability, and the impact of climate change. Despite these challenges, the Great Green Wall of Africa is an inspiring example of the power of collective action to address complex environmental and social issues. By working together, African countries are taking concrete steps to restore degraded land, support local communities, and promote sustainable development. One of the key features of the Great Green Wall project is its focus on community involvement and participation. The project aims to empower local communities to take an active role in the restoration and management of the land, and to provide them with the resources and support they need to do so. For example, the project provides training and technical assistance to farmers, herders, and other community members on sustainable land use practices, such as agroforestry, water harvesting, and soil conservation. It also helps to establish community-based organizations and cooperatives, which can help to ensure that the benefits of the project are shared more equitably. In addition, the Great Green Wall Project is designed to be a long-term effort, with a focus on sustainability and resilience. This means that the project is not just about planting trees, but also about ensuring that the trees and other vegetation are able to thrive over the long term. This requires careful planning, monitoring, and management, as well as a commitment to ongoing community engagement and support. The Great Green Wall Project has inspired similar initiatives in other parts of the world, such as the 20 by 20 initiative in Latin America and the Caribbean, which aims to restore 20 million hectares of degraded land. Overall, the Great Green Wall of Africa is a remarkable initiative that has the potential to transform the lives of millions of people across the continent. By restoring degraded land, promoting sustainable land use practices, and building resilience in local communities, the project is not only helping to combat desertification and climate change but also promoting economic development, social equity, and biodiversity conservation in some of the world's most challenging environments. This brings us to the end of our video. We hope that you found it useful and informative. Once again, please subscribe, like, comment, share and turn on the notification bell for future updates. See you on the next one.